We are on a 31 regulator today. We're changing the Garmin weather audio satellite receiver and then kind of going over the whole boat before they take it to the Bahamas. It's like 9 a.m. and it feels like it's 140 degrees out already. Alright, we gotta change out the power module. I just changed out the antenna. Here's the power module. Here's the RCAs. That's where they plug in. Oh. We got the new power module in. I'm just gonna test it, then I'll zip tie everything, and then we'll go through the boat. One thing that's broken on here, it's his anchor roller. I picked one up this morning. Nice, simple swap, hopefully. This is something that I bring on every boat that's on the water. It's awesome when you actually catch a fish, but I never catch a fish. Maybe today I will. Nope, not today. Alright, so they're going to the Bahamas. Just check everything that's kind of important. Horn, bilge, raw water, fresh water, fish box, and then we'll go on the bilge. Check the float switch. Oh. Now guys, I'm gonna make a video of what you should be bringing when you go to the Bahamas for spare parts and tools, because I get asked this question all the time. What should I bring? What do I need? Blah blah blah, and stuff breaks over there and you're really upset. So I'll get a list together and make a nice video for y'all.
Start the day with an upbeat jolt of lo-fi cafe. Stay in the zone with lo-fi study, or drift off to lo-fi sleep. To hear these channels,
Alright, we are off to the next boat. We're changing some steering seals and I think going over his boat as well.
Offset granted.
Alright guys, we got leaking steering on these end caps here. So we're gonna break this stuff loose, change out these caps. To do that, real simple, loosen this nut. I think that's a 15 millimeter, and then the one in here is 19. You gotta hold both sides. The shafts will spin once you get them a little loose. And that's really it. Spin these off with the spanner tool. Some kits come with them. And then you gotta bleed the steering. Alright, any of you guys ever bring a fan with you to work and then forget to use it? I know I do all the time until I'm sweating. Alright, I'm getting this off. I broke the end caps loose. Getting these off now. Sometimes they get really stuck, so I sprayed them down really good and just kind of working them off. Got the ends off. Check the shaft for any pitting. Otherwise it's just gonna happen again. This one seems really nice. You could feel it usually right away. Uh-oh. 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 All right, we got the ram, cylinder, whatever you want to call it. It's all back together. Now we just got to bleed the air out of the lines and add fluid. I use a power purge. Most of you guys will probably be using the little kit that comes with your steering stuff. You put it in here and you put a hose to connect these two bleeders and open it, and you crank and crank, get all the air out. You never really get all the air out that way, but it can still be done. always got to check out every boat's wiring, right? This one's not terrible for factory, except they put that upside down, but at least it's labeled, man. I'm gonna start posting every Monday. It's gonna be Marine Mechanic Mondays. I'm just gonna post like random repairs that I do that's not like too serious, but I just want you to see the vast variety of repairs that I'm involved with every week. So it's gonna kind of be all over the place, but it's gonna be pretty interesting because every day and every hour is so different. I figure that's just the best way to show you. When it's like a big job, I'll make that a single video, but this will kind of give you, you know, just random small repairs that I can maybe give you some tips or just, you know, help you guys out. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.